आज हम जा रहे हैं मुंबई के फोर्ट एरिया में वाया अटल सेतु। सो चलो यार चलते हैं। सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। एज यू कैन सी वी आर एट द अटल सेतु which is a 21.8 kilometer long bridge with a 6-lane expressway. As far as I can guess, the mountain that you can see there is the Elephanta Caves mountain, which many of you must have heard about. I've been there as a child but no longer want to go there. So as you can see, there's no clarity. The clarity is very blurred and that's because of the air pollution, which is quite a bit. The view from this bridge is absolutely mesmerizing. It's so nice to see the sea, ships, cargoes, and then a dockyard. There's some petroleum thing also going on. I can't really show it to you because of this railing that is there. Otherwise the video would have been very clear.
पेट्रोल पे क्या यहाँ पे होता है?
Yes.
पर पेट्रोल उसकी मशीन तो चले जाता है, फिर वो पानी नहीं आता क्या पेट्रोल के साथ?
So that's the end of the Atal Setu bridge, and now we're about to reach the fort area, or you can also call it Kolaba area. So as you can see, there's some practice going on stage, and I guess this is for the Kala Ghoda festival, but this is just the practice right now.
We so good at the chal raha hai humko to chal raha hai humko to chal raha hai we so good at this.
Now we're going to enter the Kala Ghoda festival, and there's no ticket. I mean, they're not charging for it. You just have to register online without paying any money, and because of that it's so damn crowded. I cannot even see anything inside except people. So we had not planned to come here. It was just an impromptu decision, and I guess it's okay. Let's just see and go about. So there are a lot of horses made, different kinds of horses, which you'll get to see in the whole video. And then there are a lot of stalls. They are basically the state stalls of handicrafts, handlooms, and various other kinds of products. But the stalls all look so damn crowded that I really don't feel like going into them, because I just am not very comfortable with people pushing around. And the other thing is it's really sunny and hot, so we have to manage both the things, crowd, heat, and yeah. So there are some really beautifully made horses, very artistic, very pretty, but I can't just take them from close again because of the crowd. Everybody is standing around them to click pictures, and yeah, I'm not pushing in. We are a bit hungry and we're gonna have some pizza. So there are slices. The margarita one is for 100 rupees for a slice, and we've taken 3 of those. Let's see how it goes, how they're gonna be. So this is a restaurant, and they've just opened like a stall for this festival. There are various other food stalls as well, various of them, but again overly crowded, packed. So we just decided that pizza would be safe, hygienic, and yeah, it's really good. So finally I've been able to take a horse work from really close, and this horse is made out of cardboard and it's so beautifully made. I really wanted to go to the stalls. Some of the state stalls were so beautiful. I could see from far they had really good material, but I couldn't because of the rush, and I couldn't show you as well. We are done here and we're walking down to the museum. As you can see, there are such beautiful paintings on the street. I mean, artists are sitting here and creating them, and it's just so nice to see them while walking. Guys, वो मैं नहीं थी, कोई और बोल रहा था किचकिच हो रही है, मैं नहीं थी. Anyways, this is a museum and it's such a gorgeous building, isn't it? It's of the British time and it's so beautiful. So this is again a part of the Kala Ghoda festival. It's the children's section, and there are some schools which have created some models, very beautiful ones, mostly out of waste material, but really beautifully done up, very colorful, vibrant, and yeah. So let's see. Very creative work. As you can see, they have clubbed so many things together and created a model, and yeah, it looks so good. I don't know when people are actually going to become sensible. I mean, there are people just for clicking photos, they're climbing on the models, they're making their children sit on the models, which eventually the models will start breaking, and I mean the security guard has to whistle to get them down. This is a common sense thing, that you have to preserve such things, and you cannot just destroy them just to click pictures. You can stand far and click pictures as well. So this is complete hard work of everybody. I mean, their efforts, their time, their ideas, and we need to respect that. So this common sense really needs to come in people. What's that?
Peas. I don't know. This is on fire. इसके नीचे डालना है।
मैं वहाँ लेके आती हूँ आपका वो, ठीक है?
ओके।
ये यहाँ पे सामान रखा है।
Uh-oh.
You get really fancy things these days for kids, but they're not necessarily all that great. I mean, this one looks really cool, but it wasn't so good. A puppet show is going to start here, and Zio is going to watch it.
And the tree in the ground, and the tree in the ground.
So the puppet show is done. They've given some activities, some DIY puppet making, and that's what he's doing. You know how to make it, Zio? We really can't guess who these people are. I mean, they've come with so much security for some signing thing, and the security guard says कि ये लंदन के राजे का पोता है, but हमें नहीं पहचान में आ रहे यार. Anyways, we are done from here, and now we are gonna go and eat something. So we are walking back, and this is the back side of the Taj Hotel.
इसको खा के देखिए, बहुत इसका टेस्ट है.
ठीक है. Now this is a really old stall, and he's freshly frying so much stuff. Kachoris are there, then there's bread pakoda, then there's vada pav, samosa. They have some sweet thing and some bhajiyas and so much stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try some of it. He has a lot of crowd, by the way. Everything was really good, and we ate just in rupees 138. Delicious stuff. Do try this place, guys. It was too good.
वो देखो अभी कितनी ज़्यादा बड़ी लाइन लगाई है माँ।
Yes. We're standing in front of the Taj Hotel, and this view is really nice. I mean, it's peaceful to see the sea, all the ships, the boats, and then the birds flying around. And the sea breeze is just irreplaceable.
यहाँ पे स्पीड बोट नहीं है ना? यहाँ पे स्पीड बोट नहीं है ना माँ?
So there's Gateway of India at the side. Some work is going on, and it's just so crowded, so we're not going there. I mean, I think we've chosen a wrong day to come here. It's a Sunday, and it's just super crowded. So we'll just take a bit of the sea breeze and then go back. So this is the front part of the Taj Hotel where the 2008 terrorist attack had taken place. So now this is the Colaba Causeway. It's a famous street for shopping, accessories, and clothes, apparel, bags, everything possible. And you get really exclusive stuff sometimes over here. I really wanted to go and shop around, look around, and even show you all, but it's overcrowded, so today I won't be able to do it. I'll definitely have to come back another day. Now this is just the first shop, and they have some really beautiful pieces, but the crowd is so much. I'm definitely gonna come here on a weekday and make a full vlog of just the Colaba Causeway, because I think they have really good stuff and you all should see. Now this is the same place where practice was going on in the morning when we came, and we really wanted to see this show, but then it's so crowded, there's no place to even stand. It's absolutely packed, so maybe we have to just go back. So we are on the way back home, and it'll take us about 2 hours to reach back. Today I couldn't show you all really all that much because of the crowd, but next time I'll be coming on a weekday, which is quite impossible, but yes, I'll try, and I'll come up with a vlog on the Colaba Causeway area, Gateway of India, and the fort area. So stay tuned, and bye bye. Good night.